Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Samiuddin. I'm one of the team members of this project. Along with me is my team, Anis Unisa, who is the admin of the project coder, and along with Razuddin, who is the who handled the documentation. Now we are going to our project is in to deploy a simple static website. The website is an e-commerce clothing website known which called as e-store. Now let's get into the deployment of the website. First, we need to create a resource group. Let's select our region, which is nearest to us. Then after that, we need a storage account. Let's create a storage account. Let's select the resource group that we just have created. Let's we can name anything, but this name of the storage account has to be a unique name. See, we need to keep it a simple but a unique name. Let's select our primary service, which we would be using for blob storage, and then we don't. There is no really need for GRS because we won't be needing any redundancy. There is no need for availability. And in this in advanced section, there is security configuration. If we need any security configurations, if and there is access protocols, we don't need it. We just need to allow cross tenant application in the blob storage, and we can let the other configuration be just as it is default. We can move on to creating the storage account. So it is in progress, the deployment. We just need to wait for a few seconds. It will be completed. Then we have to upload our website. Please bear with me. Okay, it is completed. Let's go to the storage account. In the storage account, we have to go scroll down, then search for a static website as we would be deploying it. We have to enable it here. I have to write it as index.html. If it is asking what happens, what to display if an error comes, it should display 404.1. Then we should save it. Then go to this container, storage container, which it has created automatically. Once you have come to a container, which is known as web, you have to click on upload. Here, just select the what all the files that you have of your static website, and just drag it. Just click on overwrite if has already exit and click on upload. Okay, now all the files have been uploaded. Let's go and look at the website. We should go back to static website, and this, copy this primary endpoint. Okay. Our simple static website has been deployed, as you can see. Okay, now let's go back and configure backup management. As you know, backup is very important for every type of data nowadays, as there is a risk of sensitive data being lost. So there, we should use backup at all time. Go to data management first, data protection. Okay, as you can see, here you have to enable Azure backups for blobs. Then you have to create new on the backup vault. You can give it just about anything, any name. Yes, same resource group. Let's give a good name. Yeah, there is no need for any different type of redundancy. Okay, you have click on the create, so it will be created in just a few seconds. Okay, it has been created now. We would also need yes, we have to also give it as a manage identity for this vault. To add role assignment. That's well. Now to select a role as a, we can give a contributor, just as it was telling us to give the backup vault contributor. Just give it the role as a contributor, so it can be implemented. Okay, the role has been added. Okay, it has come. Even for the resource subscription and also for the storage account, we have given this backup vault as a role as a contributor. So it doesn't matter that much. Okay, let's go back. Create a backup policy. We can give it any. There's no need to change anything. Just replace. Just we'll create the backup policy. Okay, now what you have to do is we just have to let everything be. Let's just just keep it for because soft deletes like you will not be able to delete a few type of resources if they are enabled on soft delete. So only after a good amount of time you can only delete after only like uh, 7 days, 2 days, or 1 day. So like, it is a very nice feature for all the data protection. Yes, pretty wait a few seconds. Okay, guys, that has been implemented. Okay, successfully. Okay. The next thing we have to do is we need to add a chatbot, a functional chatbot using Azure AI services. First, go to Azure AI services, and then go to language service. First, we need to create a language. Press on create. Yeah, we need a custom question answering. Just click click select. Then you need to create your resource. Just put your resource group, basic configuration. You just take it as enter India as a region. Name can be like anything like you have to use a free one. Yeah, no issues. Hmm. Seems like there's a problem. Oh, okay, now this is a region. Select the same Central India. Yeah, just click on this box. Click on next. There's no need. You can just keep it as it is. Just directly go to review place create. Click on create. Just wait a few seconds. Yeah. It will take some time. Okay, guys, the deployment has been completed. Let's go to resource group. Click on our language, which we just have created. Now we have to scroll down. We have to look for language studio. Hmm. Here it is. Just sign in with your Azure account, free trial account, or student's account. This will help us create our custom question answering chatbot. Yeah, we just need to select language. Yes. Okay then. Now create a new project. Let's go. No custom question answering. Let's just select the English language. Just give it a name. Yes, just leave as it is. No answer found. Yes. Click on create project. Now go to add source. Click on files. Now we'll be need us to like add a custom question and answers like an Excel sheet. Just go to desktop. Just click on this. Select your like Excel sheet which has the some question and answering. Just click on add on. This will take all the like, whatever custom question. This is a way to introduce custom questions and answers, not defaults. Then click on deploy knowledge base. Click on deploy. Yes, deploy. Just need to wait for a few seconds. Okay, now click on create a bot. This is helping us create an AI chatbot uh, very easily just by using services of Azure AI. Select our resource group. Yes, no need to change anything here. Just keep as it is. And just here when you come to the app service plan, you need to click on select create new app service plan. That's all. Okay, now here also we would need to give it a language resource key which would be available in our language which resource which we have created. That we need to go in the resource manager. In the resource manager we have to go to keys and endpoint. From there we have to copy this key and go back to our deployment, custom deployment, and just paste it here. That's all. Click on next WPS create and just create it. This would be creating our final chatbot, which we would use to on our static website. Just wait a few seconds. Okay, now that has been created a bot, and we go to resource group, search for our bot, Azure bot, which we have just created. And then we need to go to settings. From the settings, go to channels. And here we need to click on direct line, default site, and from here, okay, now we need to go back to our the static website files which we have uploaded in our storage account container, dollar web container. Okay, just here it is. Okay, now here you have to edit the chatbot.html. Just click on these three dots and click on view edit. Go back to our chatbot, and from here we need to copy the just a minute, guys. Okay, guys, you have to click on the web chat default site. Oh, from here you need to copy this code, iframe code. Now go back to our chatbot.html, which we have coded, and we need to look at find the same iframe section. Here it is. We need to replace all this with our just now copied iframe. Okay, now we would also be needing the key, secret key. It will be available here. Just copy it and go back here and just paste in this section. Just paste it there and just click on save, and that's all. Now just go back to the continuous and go back to static website. Again copy the primary endpoint. Okay, this is our e-store website, static e-store website, which is an simple e-commerce website which has been coded by our admin Anish Vanisa. As you can see, it has multiple sections. Section which is products, which has all the products in it. It has multiple categories like different types of gadgets and accessories, electronics. It has also have like product details, like in-depth product details, like for all the details of the product, and we can just add to cart all of this the product which we would need, and then we can also click checkout from here, and also from here you can directly click on checkout. Here we would be adding our information for the billing address, and it will take the input, and this is our simple my account. Okay guys, now let's check out on the we just check out simple e-store website, static website. Okay, this is our home section. We have made this website using simple HTML, CSS, and also Bootstrap. It is actually made by our admin Anis Sunisa, who have coded the website. This is just our home. It is a simple e-commerce clothing website. This is our product section. This is our product details, where we would be seeing the details of each and every product, how much the size and color, and how much will be the money. And this is our card, where we can increase and decrease the quantity, add coupon codes, update cart, and different type of functions. And that's that's all. Now we will take a look at our chatbot to see if it has been deployed or not. Okay, here it is. Okay, it's to be working fine. Okay, it just has proactively sent it as a message. Hello and welcome. Okay, now just ask it something. Um, Let's ask it a question. Can I return a gift? Oh, okay. As you can see, it is responding to our questions. Okay. Let's ask a few more questions which we have customly written in our Excel sheet. How do I leave a review? How do I? Oh, okay. The chatbot seems to be working perfectly fine. As you can see. Let's ask one more question. Last question. Okay, the chatbot is perfectly working. And thank you for watching this video on a simple Azure project of deploying a static website using storage account service and also using Azure AI services to make a chatbot and integrate it with our static website and also to configure a backup service for our storage account. Thank you everyone.